Their mission was to go in and get out. Get as many 360 Yoloswag for 20 blizzard to faggot, no scopes is possible. They succeeded, and they made it out safely.
Right now.
For now.
Or, yes, go. Okay. I'm rolling. Enemy UAV above. Give me cover, buddy. Guys, where'd you go? Guys! Russell! Emerson! Mitchell! Mitchell, where are you? Guys, I don't know where you went. We gotta move in. Come on, lads, we gotta go back to staging. Move back to staging! Let's roll! Bring it in! Rifle sets are ready, lad. Watch this 360 no scope. Sorry, lad, I'm moving. Hurry up, pick up your tits, muscle. Enemy AC 130. Get him! Get that sign! Get the sign! I got it! Move! We're almost to extraction. Mags out, gents.
Hey guys, Big Wolf here. Thanks for watching. This is a quick little fun video I decided to do. The kids in the video were playing a game during lunchtime at Gamepod Combat Zone, so I just decided to roll out there and mess around. Yeah, so if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like. If you want to see more, it's coming out soon, go ahead and subscribe to me and share this with your friends. Thank you very much. Big Wolf, out.